Evening to everyone. This is Odong Emmanuel Yok, student from Gulu University, pursuing high education access in mathematics and chemistry. Today we are starting our information literacy. So what are we going to look at? First of all, we need now to understand what information literacy is. Now, the definition of information literacy, we have now to define it very well. So what is information literacy? This is the ability to identify, find, evaluate, and use information effectively and responsibly to solve a problem or make a decision. In simple words, it means knowing when you need information, where to find it, and how to use it. Example, you know what information you need, you search in books or online, and even now you may go in every sort of every people, that kind of people that you may need now information you want to get from. So information is now the research of the ability of research to identify, find, evaluate, and use information effectively and responsibly to evaluate the problem that you are passing through and make decisions now to solve all those kind of problems that we are passing through. So under the information literacy, what are these important things that now we are going to look at? First of all, it helps us to identify reliable information. Not everything online is true. And it helps you to separate facts from fake news that people always overmake. For instance, some of the things may be posted in YouTube, some of the things may be posted in now the TikToks, but all those information may not be true. And now it helps to improve in academic performance. For instance, now, like today, we are starting our information literature. So it may help us now to understand how to perform academically, improve on the technology that we are using. Like for instance, the fact that now we are using the computers nowadays to charge on everything. People may find difficulties in charging of the questions, but now if they go to other applications like ChatGPT, they may ask for everything that now they want from the ChatGPT, and their question will be solved. And therefore, it may help you now solve your question very well. Secondly, from AI now, where it is very common in every classes, not from holidays academic performance, but in different ways. It may not only help you now improving in the academic performance, but it will help to know how to solve the problem that you are passing through. So these things are very helpful. In the third point, it helps us in decision making. For instance, decision in life, work, and education. For instance, now some of the people may be having hard work at their workplace or workshops, and now through this technology of information literacy, they may develop now simple work and now specialize in their workshop, and this now will improve on their work skill. Also, it will prevent plagiarism. So what is this plagiarism? Some people may use now different kind of laptop, different kind of words in the words that they are making. For instance, education may be ending with double stars, meaning several things. For instance, if now we end with double star or filters, people may just write educate with double star, meaning education, or educator, or now to educate, which now it mean different things. And these plagiarisms, if we avoid, it will be helpful. Also, it encourages lifelong learning. So, lifelong learning, it will be now helpful. And we are going to look at life cycle. This explains how information is created, shared, and used over time. There are 6 stages involved in these life cycles. So, what are these 6 life cycles? First of all, the creation. Information is created through a research, writing, recording, or observation. Secondly, publication. In this case, the information is published or shared with others, for instance, through WhatsApp and websites and through now emails. all those information can be shared. Distribution though also is now being part of the life cycle that we need. The information spread to the people through the journals, wins, and the libraries, internet, and many other. Access people find and obtain the information, e.g., searching in Google, reading library books, and now giving the feedbacks. All the feedbacks that we may now be getting from people that we have been sending the messages is also needed. And these things that we need now is very important. And the sixth thing is now preservation. Preservation of all those kind of activities is required. You have not to be just by making all these things and now creating all these kind of things that you have now performed. And now the sixth things is use people. Add click to add now use people. The fifth thing is people use the information for learn research or decision making. Preservation important information is stored for future use, easy library, and many others. I thank God now you have listened. When now we are going to look at several things, we are just going to pass on through these things.